Let's learn with Jellybeans Kids Classroom.
Hi friends! Today I am visiting a plant nursery with my school. Let's learn about plants together.
The school bus then arrives at the nursery and all the children get down along with the teacher. They are super excited to explore the flowers and plants. Teacher then points to colorful flowers. Look children, these are flowering plants. Rose, hibiscus, marigold and sunflower.
Wow, they are so pretty.
Yes, flowering plants make our world colorful and also attract bees and butterflies. Teacher then shows vegetable plants. Now these are plants that gives us food like tomato, spinach, coriander and brinjal.
Yummy! Without these, we wouldn't have vegetables to eat.
Absolutely correct. These are also called edible or eating plants. Teacher then shows indoor or air purifying plants and says these plants are very special. They clean the air and gives us oxygen such as money plant, snake plant, tulsi and erica palm.
That means they keep us healthy.
Yes, we should keep some at home. Teacher then shows butterflies flying around some plants and says, children, butterflies love plants like hibiscus, lantana and marigold.
Oh, that's why butterflies are sitting here.
Teacher then gathers the kids around and says, plants gives us food, fresh air, shade and beauty. Every child should plant a sapling and take care of it.
Yes, ma'am. I will take care of mine.
Neel then goes to buy a sapling, a pot and a fertilizer. Neel then chooses a tomato sapling, a yellow pot and some fertilizers.
I will take good care of you every day.
So children, plants are very important for all of us. Let's all promise to plant at least one sapling and take care of it. Will you do that? That's the end of the story. See you next time. And remember, plant today and breathe tomorrow. See you.